My name is Laurens.Lauren. I'm the Regional Success Coach at ROVI Homes. I have 2 kids and a lot of animals. When I was growing up, I really wanted to be a veterinarian, specializing in large animals. I was always around them when I was little and growing up, and still to this day. And horses were always my favorite, and cows and farm animals. So I was a stay-at-home mom for a lot of years before getting into real estate. Well, my kids think what I do for work is a lot of fun. They enjoy coming to the office. They like the people here. They don't think of it as like monotonous. I love about my job at ROVI almost everything. The people here are fantastic. There's always somebody with a positive attitude. There's always somebody that I'm able to help among, many different levels. I didn't know that I was going to like the training position and being in office as much as I do. I absolutely love it. I was out in the field, I really enjoyed that. I feel proud and like I've succeeded in my job when I have a new agent who's come in, gone through all my training, and I hear them out on the sales floor making those phone calls, implementing everything that we've given to them, and see them putting together those transactions, being able to help clients, getting the deals and homes for them. My position here at ROVI now really allows me to bridge between work and being outside and being with the animals and spending time with the children that I really needed and desired. I just think the empathy that I'm able to have for everybody around me, and I know that everybody's going through different situations at any time, able to help them cope with them and find solutions to whatever it is they're coming through, and let them know that whatever it is, it's not going to last forever, and we'll find the sunshine on the other side.